Well, let's start on the first slide. Okay. Welcome everyone. August Great Expectations meetup. Um, Quick agenda. I realize I didn't update my agenda slide. The agenda is I'm going to do an update on the community and a short one on the product. Don isn't here for the typical product roadmap update, but I have the slides. With that said, make sure you ask your questions in Slack. Sorry, in the Zoom chat. And if you have any questions about the roadmap, other people from the team will pick it up. We're hiring, so check out jobs.superconductive.com. There's all sorts of great options there. I'm sure some people in here could be excited about one of those jobs, so give them a look. All right, quick update on the community. So the Slack continues to grow. We added 258 people since the last time that we've met. And we're getting really close to 8,000. It's just, I guess it's always around numbers, always fun. So hunt for 8,000 is on. We should definitely be past that by the time we meet up next time. 8,000 strong. The PyPy download. So yeah, we saw the dip last time, and it's sort of gone back on track from where it was before. So we had this huge spike, and now it's sort of found back on the trend that it was earlier. So as opposed to the last month, we had an additional 47K in total. So it's good to see at least it boost up a little bit. Curious what was going on here. Not sure. Okay, favorite part. Thanks and kudos to the community members. So over here we have some recent contributions. We got the new ZenML docs came in. Thanks, Stefan. Bogdan, who's going to be present. These are both presenters being presented today. Bogdan added the AWS. Oh gosh, I just deleted something. Bogdan added the AWS Glue documentation, and I believe the EMR should be in if it's not already in, but I think Bogdan's going to talk about that later. Yeah, and of course, we have some other additions. Stas Deep, Steven Secreti per usual, and another, Andy Jessen, a whole bunch of the people that we see often here making contributions. So I'm really appreciative of. And then here are Slack supporters. People are answering questions in Slack. Alexi from Provectus has been doing a ton. Veronica, per usual. Bogdan. Kirill, I know, is like a newer member. Thanks so much for, you're asking questions and you're helping people with stuff too. So I appreciate that a lot. We had a new one, Visual Dad. John Schwegler is always in there. Anton, Jared, Juan Yi, Mike Robbins. Dennis, I know, or I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce if it's Dennis or Denise, but another new member is answering questions to really appreciate. Same with these, Ardasha and Andre. So thanks a lot. Kudos to you all for helping out and coming in. You're asking your questions, you're helping others. It's sort of what makes Great Expectations move along. So thanks a lot for your contributions and support. So product roadmap update. We're going to keep this is usually Don's part, so I'm going to try this one out for size myself. So our roadmap is guided with the intent of being able to make the following claim bold and honestly. Great Expectations is powerful and expressive. After years of development and widespread adoption by data practitioners, the core APIs are robust, stable, and thoroughly tested. Best of all, it's easy to get started. So we keep pushing on that piece. We know the easy to get started thing is something that we're actually really focused on right now, and we're gonna have a tranche of work coming up soon that's going to be focusing exactly on this piece. One thing that we did add recently that I'm really excited about that hopefully helps people get started and find things that they want is we've updated our search. So we're now using Algolia for our search. This will help us learn what people are searching for when they search for something and they don't find it. We can start to see okay, a lot of people are searching here for something and it's not coming up, or they're not clicking on what it is. Also, this is just a far better experience than the previous search, which I know was terrible. So we have a new search. If you were to do data assistance, you can use the search results page, which is just doc/search. So you could just save this URL to get you quickly to the search page. Okay, yeah, so that's Algolia. Hopefully that helps people find what they need to find in Great Expectations. So moving along, some upcoming launches. If I'm not mistaken, next month, auto initializing expectations and data assistance with onboarding assistance. I know we're really close on the data assistance that should be coming out soon. Again, if you have questions, put them in the chat. I'm not going to do a great job of answering them as opposed to some of the other people on the core engineering team who are in the Zoom today. So our core focus right now is getting Great Expectations Cloud out. We're looking to create a initial free version that will have parity between open source with the open source platform. It's going to be like a small launch in the beginning. So, people, if you're interested in using the cloud when it comes out, you can sign up for the workshop that's on our site. Also, I think we have a slide later for who to message. If somebody could put Alina's email into the chat real quick, that's somebody who's good to contact if you're interested in becoming a design partner for the cloud platform when it comes out. Because we're going to do limited release in the beginning so that we make sure we're learning as much as we can as we improve the product. Oops. Magic Mouse got me. Yeah, so the V16 release will be shipping in fall. It's gonna be smoothing out the onboarding experience, sort of what I was alluding to before. New data connectors, metrics storage, allowing for new use cases for multi-batch expectations and better ways of working with ephemeral data. And then changes are additive and not breaking. So code depreciated in V13 or earlier will be removed.